If your TikTok views are low right now, this is not random. And it is not because the algorithm hates you, it is because something inside your video is sending the wrong signal. TikTok in 2026 runs on testing cycles. When you upload a video, it gets shown to a small batch of viewers. Sometimes that batch is a few hundred people. What those people do in the first 30 seconds determines everything. If they swipe away in the first 2 seconds, the video stalls. If they watch to the end, rewatch it, or share it, the video expands. So, let's start with the most important factor, your hook. If your video starts slow, you are done before you begin. The first sentence must create curiosity, tension, or immediate value. You cannot introduce yourself, you cannot warm up, you must start strong. Next is your completion rate. TikTok measures how much of your video people watch. If your video is 30 seconds long and people leave at 10 seconds, your retention percentage drops. That limits distribution. The goal is to keep viewers until the final frame. Now here is something most creators ignore: looping. If your ending connects naturally to your beginning, people subconsciously rewatch it. More replays increase total watch time. More watch time equals more distribution. Another reason views are low is niche confusion. If you post gaming today, business tomorrow, and lifestyle the next day, TikTok cannot cluster your audience. The platform wants clarity. It wants to know exactly who should see your content. Posting frequency also matters. If you post once every 2 weeks, the algorithm has limited data. Posting consistently gives the system more information about who engages with your content. Search optimization is critical in 2026. TikTok is now a search engine. If someone types, "Why are my TikTok views low?" and you say that phrase in your video and include it in your caption, you increase your discoverability. Engagement signals are another major factor. Comments, shares, and saves weigh heavily. Ask a specific question. Create a reason to comment. Passive content rarely performs well. And finally, remove watermarks. If you repost content from other platforms with visible branding, TikTok reduces distribution. Low views are usually not a punishment. They are feedback. Fix your hook, increase retention, engineer loops, clarify your niche, and your views will change.